Ngozi. Come on, say that with me. Ngozi. Good. All right, so you ready to translate that name together? All right, cool. So Ngozi is one word and it literally means blessing. It directly translates from Igbo, from Igbo to English into blessing. And obviously I gave her that name because she said that she's a conduit for blessings in people's lives. She's a blessing to those around her and she is a great person to be around. So Ngozis tend to be very cheerful people. They are gifted at adding value to the lives of those around them, and they're very loyal friends. Tag and share this video with all the Ngozis that you know. Thanks. All right, so what do you think? Was that a fitting name for her, Ngozi? Let me know in the comment section down below. I look forward to hearing what you have to say.